Hi guys, and welcome back to Candisha Creations. I actually recorded this video about 2 weeks ago, but I've only just got around to editing it. So when I did these nails, I knew I was going to do some form of colour blocking, but to be honest, I planned to do something a little bit more basic. But then I remembered I had these little colourful hearts, so I just decided to do a little bit of a more colourful design. When I first did these nails, I really liked them, but I'm not really sure if I like them now. I don't think I really like the pink in this. It kind of reminds me of like a worm colour, and I'm not a fan of worms, so you know. My application has gotten a lot better since doing this video. So I started off by creating a tip on top of the forms using crystal clear acrylic by Neo Nails. I then used that same clear acrylic to stick down these colourful little hearts. And then I created an ombre into those rainbow hearts using Summer Punch by Neo Nails. I really don't like the way I applied the acrylic here. It just looks really messy and it's not very satisfying to watch, but hey, it is what it is. Then I used the natural acrylic powder by Neo Nails just to help blend that Summer Punch colour into those rainbow hearts and make that ombre seamless. And then I encapsulated the whole nail using crystal clear acrylic. On this nail, I'm using Summer Punch again to create an extended nail bed. If you see the first time I did an extended nail bed, you'd see that this video here is actually a massive improvement, but I've improved even since this, okay? Progress, slowly but surely. Now I'm filing around that extended nail bed just to make sure the sides are perfectly round and smooth. I'm also filing on top of it just to make sure that's smooth as well. Now I'm going in at the end of this nail with Wild Strawberry acrylic powder from Neo Nails. Now I'm using my little blade here to cut through that Wild Strawberry acrylic because I want that end bit to be very clean and straight. Now I'm using crystal clear acrylic just to stick those rainbow hearts down in the middle of that nail. And then I'm going to clear cap the nail with that same crystal clear acrylic again. Now on this nail, I'm going to be using those same acrylic colours, which are Wild Strawberry and Summer Punch, to create an ombre on this nail. I really hate the way I applied Summer Punch on this nail as well. Now I'm using Natural, just where Summer Punch and Wild Strawberry meet, just to help that ombre look seamless. And then I'm clear capping the whole nail using crystal clear acrylic. Now on this nail, I'm using Summer Punch again to create an extended nail bed. But this time, I'm going to use that blade again, just to cut a line straight across it to make sure it's nice, straight and clean. Now I'm using Wild Strawberry at the end of this nail, and I'm just going to do exactly the same thing that I did on the other nail. And now again, I'm just going to use crystal clear acrylic just to stick those rainbow hearts in between Summer Punch and Wild Strawberry. And then I'm going to use that same crystal clear acrylic to clear cap the hearts and the whole nail. So now I'm filing the nails using an OPI nail file. I think it's a 100 and 180 grit nail file. And I'm filing all those nails into the shape that I want them to be. And now I'm buffing the nails and shining them using a 2000 nail file, I think. Whatever the nail file grit is, I will leave it in the description box, okay? So now the nails are filed and buffed and they look nice and clean. I'm wiping over the nails with gel residue wipe off solution. At this point, I'm just sticking some Swarovski crystals to the nails using a gel top coat. The tool that I'm using to do this is just a wax pencil. I do cure every nail before I move on to the next one. And then I'm top coating the other nails using Barry M Plumpy. I don't really like wasting my gel polishes on the mannequin hand because it's just a waste. I'm also top coating the back of the clear parts of the nails as well, just to give them that extra clarity. So this is the final result. I'm not sure if I like them or if I don't like them, but I don't know. I feel like maybe with other colours I would have liked them better. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, stay blessed.